In this video, I'll show you how to set up a cloud storage bucket on Google Cloud. First, sign into the Google Cloud console and select the project where you want to create the bucket. Next, open the Cloud Storage section from the main navigation menu and select Buckets. Now, click Create to start setting up your bucket. After that, enter a unique name for the bucket. Choose the location type and select the region or location where you want your data stored. Next, choose the storage class, such as Standard, depending on how frequently you expect to access the files. Now review the access control settings and decide whether you want to use uniform bucket level access. After that, configure data protection options, such as versioning or retention settings if needed. Next, review all of your bucket settings and click Create. Google Cloud will create the bucket and open its details page. Now, you can click Upload Files or Upload Folder to add your data to the bucket. Finally, review the bucket permissions and confirm that only the users or services that need access can reach your files. And that's it. You've successfully learned how to set up a cloud storage bucket on Google Cloud. If you found this tutorial helpful, make sure to subscribe to Learn Mode Lab for more tutorials.